Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you on how to chat 1688 customer service.
Customer
In the sense
services.
that sometimes you might be ordering something on 1688 and your account might get blocked, or you want to apply for a refund and you are still facing some difficulties which you are unable to apply for refund due to some issues on 1688 system. Right now the problem has been solved. I will show you the step-by-step on how to ask for a refund on 1688, chatting the customer care, and I'll also show you how to solve some problem on 1688 platform. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you on how to chat 1688 customer service on 1688 app. So I'll be so fast about it because it doesn't really take much ado, and it's also simple step. As it is also very simple. If you watch this video, the step by step on how I was able to do that. So the first thing you need to do is you click on this head icon. I don't think I can translate it, so I could have loved to do that. You click on this head icon and followed by clicking, let me translate here. You come to this box, this place that I cycled. It was written, we are waiting here at the service center. So this is where you chat the customer care service. I don't know, let me also translate it for you to be easy. You see service center. Service center. You can also come here again. It's also the same thing. You can also, there are two places, either the up or the down icon. You can also come here again and you click on it, anyone you like, but let me use the one that is down. Let me use the one. So I'll wait for you to, after I click on the icon, on the customer service icon, I have to lodge my complaint first of all by greeting. Do note that they do not, this customer service do not understand English. I've chat them once a while and I was typing in English. I do not understand English. So whatever you want to do, you translate to Chinese first. That's why you need a translator whenever you are chatting the 1688 customer service. So you send. You use here to send. So you send. And I also explain something to you here. This place is, if you can't log in on your account, you press this icon, this green icon, I can't log in. Distribute tile bar, damaged goods. If you want to report a damaged goods and the suppliers fail to to return the goods. You have complained to the suppliers and the suppliers do not listen to your complaint. Then the next thing that you have to do is you report you lodge the complaint to 11688 customer service. This place is you want to apply for a refund. So whichever one you want to do, whichever one you want to do this is where you click on. This is where you click on to lodge your complaint. Receive good quality problem. If you want to, here also means this icon means you bought a goods but have some problems of quality. The goods wasn't really tangible. It wasn't really the way you order it, or you think the quality was not up to what you expect. So if you press here, you lodge your complaint. Let me also how to deal with non-refundable sellers. This is the complaint, and if you want to, this place also applies that there are some sellers that they won't allow you. The place that I'm talking about, there are some sellers that won't refund your money to you, and the reason might be one or two reasons why they won't give you refund. So here is where you complain on refund. You complain on refund of your goods. Here is where you complain on refund. So I've also reviewed. Let me review this place. If you have another to submit, let me wait a little bit. So if here is where you complain for some sellers that do not want to refund your goods, do not want to refund your money due to they are stubborn, or they just don't want to refund your goods. They don't want to refund your product. But anytime you want to refund a product on 11688, you must also be sure that 100% you are not the one that is guilty. Because if you are guilty and you want to refund, you want to apply for a refund, this might make your account to get blocked on 11688. So guys, if you also go through all this place, you won't have a problem. You won't have a problem on chatting 11688 customer service. So guys, if you watch this video and you also like this video, make sure you give a like and also comment on the video. If I do well in the video, let me know. If I missed some step that you think I did not really mention, let me also know in the comments below. So also a sub to this channel will be an effective idea, and also a sub to the channel won't be a bad idea.